In a quiet corner of the Louvre Museum, one of the most tender and quietly powerful images of the Renaissance looks back at us, Leonardo da Vinci's Madonna and Child. Painted during the late 15th century, this composition captures a moment not of grandeur, but of human intimacy. The Virgin Mary, serene and thoughtful, gazes at her infant son, the Christ child, who gently responds to her presence. There's no throne, no angels, just two figures caught in a timeless moment of love and reflection. What makes Leonardo's version unique is not just who he painted, but how he painted. He used sfumato, a technique of soft blending that erases harsh lines, allowing light and shadow to breathe across the faces and fabric. The result? A living, breathing sense of depth and emotion. Notice the way Mary's head tilts, humble yet aware of her destiny. The Christ child's delicate features glow with innocence, and his small hand reaches out almost playfully. These details don't shout, they whisper. This is the heart of Leonardo's genius, bringing divinity into the realm of the human. His Madonna doesn't just inspire devotion, she invites empathy. She's not untouchable, she's real. This painting stands as a quiet revolution. At a time when sacred art was often formal and rigid, Leonardo gave us life, light, and soul. His Madonna and Child remains not just a portrait, but a prayer rendered in oil and grace.